In this video we are going to discuss about some common reasons why your printer is not scanning. You will see the ADF tray on the top. We can use it for scanning multiple pages, and we also have the scanner bed to scan the IDs, passport or the photos. You can use it. Now there are many reasons why your printer is not scanning. The first most common reason is using the wireless scanning. If you are using your printer over the Wi-Fi network, it may be possible the Wi-Fi connectivity is lost. You can just check on the printer screen, check if the wireless is working, it is displaying properly or not. And the second is, if you are using a USB cable, make sure it is connected with your laptop, PC and also at the printer so that you can use it for scanning. Another reason can be the software. If you are using a Windows laptop, make sure you are using the up-to-date software. For wireless scanning, you have to use the Canon software, and if you are using a just USB cable, then make sure you have the Windows Scan app installed and it is up to date, and then you can start using it. And the last may be the paper jam. Sometimes the paper stuck in the ADF tray, so you just have to lift it from here, remove the paper, and then you can start scanning again. So this way we can fix the scanner that is not working in this printer. Thanks for watching.